Hello, you're looking at a model B520 Wright saw. This is not like a typical chainsaw, although it may look kind of like one.
Reciprocating blade?
This has a reciprocating blade, excuse me, and cuts, pretty nice looking cuts, as you can see by looking at this wood here. It's a nice clean cut, and it's being started up for demonstration now by Mike over here. So you you can see that works. You see that's a nice clean cut. Throw a little slack on that, put some legs on it, you got yourself a table. Look at that right there. There you go, Wright, model B520, for your consideration. Take care.